Today we are going to use the microbit to program these LEDs to display some colors. What we are going to do is we're going to plug the microbit into the computer like this and wait for it to power on. Next we are going to plug the LEDs into the microbit using these pins. Make sure they're in the correct order and they're plugged in correctly. When you're plugging in the pins, make sure the two power pins are plugged in correctly and make sure the control pin is plugged into one of the other pins. In this case, we have plugged it into pin 16. So what we have done here is we need to set the pin to pin 16, which is the pin where the control pin has been plugged into. Next, we have to specify the amount of LEDs we'll be using, which in our case is 150 LEDs. We have made the LEDs flash a certain color and then made them run in a circle and then flash a certain color again. So, how we've done that is we first set the first LED to red. Next, we have made it rotate the color all the way around the strip 150 times since there's 150 LEDs. We have made it pause for 100 milliseconds so it goes a little bit more slowly. Next, we have done the same thing but with the color orange. We have repeated this 150 times so it shows on all the pins and it keeps rotating, so we've put it in a forever loop so it flashes between those two colors again and again. So as you can see here, we'll download the program so that it will start flashing the LEDs on our LED strip. The red is going around the circle of the LEDs and going to the very end of the strip before it finishes by doing orange, and then it keeps repeating between the two colors. This is another pattern we created which allows the LEDs to flash between 3 different colors. In our case we have used red, indigo and blue, but you can use any colors you prefer. When using the microbit to code, we can create any pattern you want on your LEDs.